Hello everyone, we are here to present our symposium video. The topic that we will discuss is one of the subtopics in Biology Chapter 5, glycolysis. Before we start, let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is LIEW from H02.
My name is ZONG from H38.
Our goal is to let students memorize glycolysis process in an interesting way. While the main issue that we found out is students face problem to memorize steps in glycolysis.
We have conducted a survey among our friends and followers to find out that which subtopic in Chapter 5 is the hardest for them to memorize. And most of them answer it is glycolysis, as you can see in the pictures. We also did a Google form to let our friends and followers to see their understanding on glycolysis. And most of them can only score 1 or 2 out of 5. Now I will be presenting about a story which is about a gangster group. There are two phases in glycolysis. The first phase is energy investment phase, and the second phase is energy payoff phase. Glucose is a gangster group with 6 people. In order to become stronger, they use 1 ATP to practice, and a person named hexokinase help them means phosphate, and after they become stronger, they become glucose 6-phosphate, which is also known as G6P. This process is called phosphorylation. After they gain power, they decide to change their group name as a new beginning. So their new group name is fructose 6-phosphate, and this process is called isomerization. Fructose 6-phosphate keep practicing by using 1 ATP, and they are helped by phosphofructokinase. After they practice, they become fructose 1,6-biphosphate. This process is called phosphorylation. Having 2 powers cause them split into dihydroxyacetone phosphate (DHAP) and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate (G3P). But then the DHAP decided to copy the GTP name, so the DHAP changed their name into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This process is called isomerization. From glucose to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, the phase is called energy investment phase. It is because the group invested 2 ATPs in order to become stronger.
Now we move into energy payoff phase. Payoff means the group produce energy. We start with NAD+ undergo reduction to form NADH. At the same time, it oxidizes G3P. G3P think that they are not strong enough, so they gain power again, which is undergo phosphorylation process. Once G3P gains a power, the group name changes to 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. Now they have 2 powers. They have used 1 power to increase popularity, so they undergo dephosphorylation and becomes 3-phosphoglycerate. As popularity increases, they have new friends. The group's friends named adenosine diphosphate, which is ADP, and the power together turn into their energy, so 1 ATP is produced. Take note that there is a substrate level phosphorylation. Since the power is located at the side of the group, they think it's better to place it on the center so that it looks balanced. After they change the position of power, the group names also change to 2-phosphoglycerate. This means that the group had undergone isomerization. In this stage, the group is very strong. Now they want to strengthen the bonding between members, so they remove one water molecule, which is dehydration process, to form double bond between members. As the water molecule is removed, the name changed to phosphoenol pyruvate, PEP. Last but not least, the group thinks that they are strong enough and is independent of power, so they decide to remove power, which is the phosphorylation process. At the same time, they give out one ATP. Thus, the group name changed to pyruvate. In energy payoff phase, the phosphorylation process will happen twice. It also known as substrate level phosphorylation. Totally, there will be 2 ATPs produced in this phase. So that's all of our gangster story. Also, here has a reminder. Energy payoff phase occurs twice, so its product has to be double for the gangster group, which is referred to glucose.
After we introduce our method to our friends and followers, most of them can answer the questions related to glycolysis. As you can see, most of them are able to score 4 or 5 out of 5. So, conclusion, our goal is achieved. Our friends can use our story as a method to memorize glycolysis process effectively. Thank you for watching and listening. We hope the story will work for you when studying glycolysis. Share and like if you love it. Bye bye.